we'll go ahead and get started for the tier 1 and tier 2 giveaways for 700 subs. If you guys didn't check out the 700 break video, I'll put a link right above, so thank you to those that checked that out. Once again, if you were a participant in that break, definitely get a hold of me either on Instagram or on Twitter. You can always email me so that I could get these cards over to you. If you guys are interested in breaks in the future, please hit me up so I can add you guys to a list, probably once or twice a month. Mostly probably football and basketball, depending on what I could find out there in the field. But earlier today we had John Martin and Burke Knowledge win from my Make It or Break It Monday videos, and we had Danny Y and Card Guy from my standard videos. So we are going to do the Wheel of Death for both of these, and then the winner from Make It or Break It will go up against the winner of the standard video, and the winner of that will go head to head and win the tier 1 giveaway. All right, we got JTay's out, Sticks G, John Martin. Thank you again to everyone that's supported my channel. I truly do appreciate it. Rycon, Oz, Spurs Cards 21, Burke, Card Collecting Duo, and then the winner of this is the Sports Card Talk Show. There we go. So I'm going to add their names onto the list. I'm just going to put Kevin and Lauren. And then I'm going to go over to my regular video. And we'll see who wins this one. 2 seconds. Black. Remove names. All right. Good luck to everyone. Freedom. Suede, Muskoka, Danny, Northwest Sports Cards, If Sports Cards, Sticks G, Raleigh, John Martin, Rob, Card Guy. We got 3 left. Card Guy, Danny Y, and Mike Line TV. Card Guy, and the winner of this one will be Mike Line TV. All right, so we got Sports Cards Talk Show versus Mike Line TV. We're gonna have a little fun. I'm gonna set the timer to 20 seconds. All right, we're gonna have a duck race with Mike Line TV and Kevin Lauren. The winner of this will win the tier 1 giveaway. So in 20 seconds, let's go. This is kind of fun, doing something a little bit different. We got Mike Line in front after 10 seconds. Kevin Lauren coming back. 7, 6. Oh, we got Mike Line pushing ahead. Is he going to hold it? All right, and he holds it. So congrats to Mike Line TV for winning the tier 1 giveaway. Mike, hit me up on email, Twitter, or on Instagram. Let me get your address. And then let me know what you choose. And congrats. So I'm going to clear that one out. All right. So I am going to prepare the 700 sub giveaway. All right. I'm going to go ahead and grab the link. I'm going to put it in the YouTube comment generator. Filter out duplicate users. Get YouTube comments. We had 83. So I just want to put a disclosure out there. If I think I do have the right to re-roll it, so if I think that you just commented based off of like a keyword finder, or I think that you had multiple people in there, or whatever it may be, I could re-roll it. And I might re-roll it depending on what Mike Line chooses. If he does choose the tier 2 prize that you choose, I will try to reach out to you so that you can pick something else. So don't forget, come follow me on all social media platforms. I'm pretty close to 1,000 followers on Instagram. That's probably gonna be my next giveaway. So if you guys are watching this or checking it out, come follow me on Instagram, and I'll probably have a giveaway on that shortly. So we're gonna go ahead and get this one started. Winner is Joey the Collector. Congrats. Hey dude, nice new channel name. Congrats on the growth of your channel. Good luck on hitting 1K. I guess I will go with some football. All right, Joey. So congrats. Thank you to everyone that has followed me on this journey. I truly do appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on socials. On YouTube, I'm getting ready for 750 subs. Whatever is not claimed will most likely get pushed over there. Thank you again. I truly do appreciate it, and I will see you when I see you.